that could ruin your whole life, probably, because when she could have got charged with a felony. When you complicit to that, you get the same charge.
A felony? Then I'm gonna be a felon?
You could have been, but I'm not going to charge you. I'll give you a reason. Dude,
it was a joke. I was just kidding.
I was going to give you 2 misdemeanors, kick you out the door. Now you can just go to jail.
It was a joke. I thought you would laugh.
What am I going to do in prison? How am I going to live life outside of after I go to prison? What?
Stop!
You're crying now.
Stop!
You
Stop! Sit in the car, you're going to jail. Get in the car.
What are you doing?
You're warfare disorderly. You do that again, you're going. Get in the car.
I know that much. Yeah, call back up. Yeah. Don't touch.
Get in the
I
car.
don't have to.
You're under arrest.
No,
you're
I'm
under
not.
arrest.
No, I'm
You're
not.
under arrest.
Don't touch.
You're
Don't-
under
Don't
arrest.
touch me. Don't touch me. But now he's yelling at me. And so the others are beating me up and shit. They said my son is a bad person and saying the whole neighborhood does not like my son.
Okay, so what started this?
Well, they said I was going down there to see what happened. My son was in the fence. And I don't know after that.
Was it just a verbal argument or?
Yeah, they act like, they act like they're in the hood. We act like we're in the hood.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm not getting back in my car. Listen.
We're not going to argue out in public.
I'm not trying to argue with you.
Okay.
I'm not trying to argue with you.
Okay. That's
Here's my thing. Why are you crying? Because you want to yell at me. Why
Stop.
you crying now?
Stop.
You come
Stop. Sit in the car, you're going to jail.
Please go get a different officer.
No, I am the lieutenant. Sit in the car, you're going to jail.
What's she gotta sit in the car for?
Because she's outside screaming. Get in the car.
No, you don't got to worry.
All right.
What are you doing?
I'm about to arrest you. Get in the car. Get in the car.
You don't have to open her car door.
Get in the car.
What are you doing?
You're warfare disorderly. You do that again, you're going. Get in the car.
I know that much. Yeah, call back up. Yeah.
Okay. Stop.
No, stop. What
Stop.
are you doing?
Get in the car now.
You're doing too much. Let me call my dad.
No, you're getting in the
Don't
car.
put your hands on me.
Get in the car. Get in the car. You're both
Don't
warned.
put your hand. I ain't did shit to you.
Get in the car.
She didn't do nothing.
You're outside arguing. I am trying to control this situation. Get in the car. Get in the car.
You got the right one. What? I
Get-
know the law. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
No, you get in the car.
Don't touch.
Get in the
I
car.
don't have to.
You're under arrest.
No,
You're
I'm
under
not.
arrest.
No, I'm
You're
not.
under arrest.
Don't touch.
You're
don't,
under
Don't
arrest.
touch me. Don't touch me. Get off of me.
Don't fight me.
Get off of me. Get off of me. What the f*** wrong with him? Get off of me.
Give me her hand or you're going. You're under arrest too.
You have to take me. Please get off of me. What the f*** are you doing?
You're going to.
You're going to have to.
You're under arrest.
You're going to have to.
I didn't even do anything.
Stop.
And you're having life.
Stop. Don't touch me.
But I'm not touching you.
Why?
I'm recording you.
That's fine.
Yeah, you have to get off of
You
me.
know what? You're under arrest.
No, I won't.
You hit me in the face when you're
Get
trying
off
to
of me.
assault.
I did not hit you. Get off of me. You're kidding, right?
Nope.
There's got to be some type of sick.
You stay right here.
Don't touch me.
You stay right here.
This has to be some type of a sick joke.
Turn off the
Get
car.
off of me.
Let me see your phone.
Get him off of me. Get him.
No.
Get him off of me. Get off of me. What are you
Get her.
doing?
Get her.
No. Stop.
Get her.
Stop.
Get her.
Get him off of me.
Get her.
What are you doing?
She's under
Please
arrest.
get- No, she's not. Why?
Get out of the car.
Please get off of me.
Get her in a
What
car
are you
now.
doing? No.
Get her in a
no,
car.
Are you serious?
This don't make sense.
I have no record.
They're arrested.
Okay.
And when do I get out?
I don't
There's
know.
no way. Dude.
You hit me.
I did not touch you.
You hit me in the jaw.
Please grab my phone.
Deal with that later. I'm not worried about the phone right now.
Not moving.
I'm not moving. What are you guys doing? I'm not moving.
Told you you're.
Get off.
I haven't double locked it. I'll double lock him real quick. Got it. Tighten it up a little bit.
Get off of me.
Hold on. Why are you yelling?
Because get off of me!
You kick me one more time. Stop kicking, okay? What are you doing?
What are you doing? Why the Get my phone.
Get in the car.
Get my phone. I don't even know people's phone numbers. What the how the I go to jail? I cannot go to jail. I am a grown woman. I have bills and responsibilities. What are you doing?
Make better choices.
The disorderly conduct arrest rests on Ohio Revised Code Section 2917.11. That statute makes it a minor misdemeanor to recklessly cause inconvenience, annoyance, or alarm. It becomes a jailable fourth-degree misdemeanor only when the offender persists after a reasonable warning. The lieutenant did issue such a warning. The legal question is whether continued verbal argument without threats or fighting words satisfies the statute at all. Ohio courts have narrowed this statute deliberately. In State v. Reader, the Ohio Supreme Court held that speech alone rarely satisfies disorderly conduct absent fighting words. In Cincinnati v. Carlin, the court held the statute must be construed narrowly to protect constitutionally guaranteed expression. Under City of Houston v. Hill, the Supreme Court held that speech directed at police, even loud or profane speech, is protected by the First Amendment. The court's imposition of a $25 fine and its dismissal of the resisting arrest charge is telling. It suggests a court that found the conduct at the floor of the statute.
We're okay. 2 under arrest.
Sorry. I tried to toss them and see, this is what they was doing to me when I was trying
How
to
do you
talk.
know them?
I don't know them. My son was playing with her. Was he back there all the time with his sister? Well, they said that he went.
240 can continue to his call.
She said supposedly he hit her nephew and I was trying to come out. And this is what they was trying to do to me the whole entire time.
Where do they live?
I don't know where they live.
I don't know. Oh.
And said the whole neighborhood does not like
You
my
live
son.
all the way down there. Like all the way down there.
Who? You don't know
I
who
don't
they
know
are?
No. I just wanted to go figure out to see what was going on. What was going on because they came yelling at me like this before my mom called you guys. I'm like, call because
What's your
they said
name?
they was gonna beat me up. And the last they said he tried to punch his nephew and I was trying to see, and it said that he was prejudiced. Said that my mom don't let me play with black guys.
So they came here
Yeah.
to argue with him.
Yeah. And so that supposedly he was trying to fight with his nephew down there.
I don't know who hit me.
This lady here. Is this your car? Do you have written statements in that?
They were back here in the bag.
What? You grab them now, I think.
Okay. That should be in a car.
Who can come get your car?
Are you really gonna take me to jail?
I'm about to charge you with assault on me.
Assault
You
on a
elbowed me in the
police
face.
officer?
You elbowed me in the
It
face.
couldn't have been on purpose. I did not.
The thing is, I'm trying to restore
Sir,
order, okay?
Can I please explain to you the situation?
That's what I wanted
Call the
to.
police.
Because it sounds like you were
No,
not in
you
the
started
wrong.
off I was not in the wrong.
I know.
All she said.
You should have called us in the
all
first
those
place.
kids. I told her that I would call the police my damn self.
Okay. So what happened?
So I pulled up. I was driving past and I saw my nephew. He was jumping on the trampoline.
Down at your house or?
No, he was jumping on the trampoline by his house, and I started talking to them. And then that's when he told me that he got punched in the chin by a little boy.
Okay.
When that happened, they said that he went to go get his mom or something. His mom started walking down here aggressively. She was like, "Do you guys have a problem with your son, my son? I've never seen your son a day in my life. I don't know your son. I have nothing. I don't know your son. He needs to keep his hands to himself." So then, eventually, the other little kids, we like got into a yelling match, and she said she was calling the police. Okay, you can do that. That's fine. So the other kids started telling me they don't even like that little boy. He's a menace. He's bad. He does all types of stuff. Even her neighbor, because she started talking to a neighbor that was down there, and he even said that her kid is bad. He has no manners.
Okay.
There's no manners.
You're looking at a potential felony.
The resisting arrest charge collapses under a separate doctrine. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33 requires a lawful arrest as an element of the offense. If the underlying arrest lacked probable cause, there can be no resisting arrest. The dismissal of that charge for both defendants reflects this dependency. There is also a statutory mismatch. Nikia's conduct, interfering with another person's arrest, is more precisely addressed by the obstruction statute, section 2921.31, not the resisting statute. Charging the wrong offense is not merely a technical error. It changes the elements the state must prove. The threatened felony under yonder section 2903.13, assault on a peace officer, requires proof that the defendant knowingly caused or attempted to cause physical harm. Contact made while attempting to remain with a friend during an act of arrest does not, on its face, satisfy that mental state. Complicity liability under section 2923.03 requires the same culpability as the underlying offense. If the assault cannot be proven, the complicity theory fails with it.
You have to be kidding. I have no record.
So that's when an officer tells you to do something, you do it. This isn't the place to argue with an officer, okay?
A felony, like prison.
But
What
that's
am I going to do in prison? How am I going to live life outside of after I go to prison?
I'm not the one that hit me in the face.
Did I have him just to go down to apologize for the black kid?
Nope.
I don't know if it's
I'd
true.
stay
or
away.
not. Okay, because
It sounds like he was fighting down there.
Well, I got to him.
You calm down now?
I was always calm. You was the one that was riled up.
No, I told you guys to get in the car. There's a reason for it, okay? When you guys come out, it's just me here, right?
Mhm.
I need to separate parties. I can't have everybody fighting in the middle of the street because it's not safe for anybody. So when an officer tells you to do something, you have to do it. There's a reason. I've been doing this longer than you've been alive, okay? Your friend's potentially looking at a felony for hitting me in the face. You scratched me.
I didn't mean to do that. I was holding on to my friend.
And that's makes things 50 times worse. I could have thrown you both to the ground. I could have tased both of you by the way you guys were acting. I think you guys came down here with somewhat right intent, but we should have been called well before any of this happened. Okay? So just sit tight here and we're going to figure out everything. I got to get my mind, figure out what actually occurred with all this, okay? So just sit tight.
All right.
When did he hit you?
Like over there.
Okay. The
That
girl.
girl in there is my sister.
Okay.
What's going
Is that
on with her?
Nakia?
Nakia, yeah. Her.
She got out of the car to defend him.
Mhm.
I told her to get back in the car because everybody was screaming at each other. They didn't listen. She continued to yell and scream. So I went to put her in cuffs. Her and her friends started fighting me. I got elbowed in the face. I got scratched up. If he comes around you, go tell an adult or just go home, okay? Because if somebody's going to talk that way to you or treat you that way, you don't need them in your life, right? So go tell a trusted adult because that's not the right way for somebody to act, all right? You seem like a good kid. You a good kid? I don't know. You don't sound too confident in that answer, so.
So, I'll let him tell you because I wasn't here for most of it, so I don't know.
You're under arrest for at least M4 disorderly and resisting arrest.
I didn't resist arrest.
I was trying to put her in cuffs and you grabbed her up. So you're interfering with my investigation and my arrest of her. So that's resisting arrest. So, and then when I told you not to move, you continued to move, got in the car and climbed over. So
That's because you were putting your hands on me.
because you're under arrest.
How are you going to arrest two people at the same time?
If they're compliant, it's easy.
She wasn't compliant.
I know. That's what I said. That's why it's difficult.
Yeah.
Because there's two people and you're not
So I'm
cooperating.
being arrested for what?
At least right now, disorderly and resisting arrest.
Okay.
No one has that understanding of anything.
At least she said she wasn't compliant.
Yeah.
The most concerning conduct occurs at the booking phase. Under Blackledge v. Perry, the Supreme Court has expressed concern about charging decisions that appear motivated by animus rather than by evidence. The lieutenant's own words, telling a defendant he could ruin her whole life, then linking a felony charge to whether she laughed at his joke, connect a charging decision to personal reaction. That linkage undermines the objective probable cause analysis that Devenpeck v. Alford requires.
I'm too old to be fighting with young girls, okay? You just watch out for a second, okay?
I wasn't fighting you. I was trying to protect my friend.
I understand. Hey, seriously, we'll work with you, okay?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I do apologize.
You're okay. Hopefully next time we see each other, we just laugh and give each other high fives. And
Are you gonna remember me?
Hopefully
I'm
not.
gonna remember you.
Misdemeanors, low misdemeanors, so it's really not that big of a deal. If I wanted to, I could ruin your whole life, probably, because when she could have got charged with a felony. When you complicit to that, you get the same charge.
A felony?
When
Then I'm gonna be a felon?
You could have been, but I'm not going to charge you, okay?
Thank you.
What are you going to school for?
Psychology.
Okay.
Where's my sister?
Is that Newly over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you stand up for me? You don't want to wear those anymore, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Have we learned a lesson today?
I don't like you guys. That's the lesson I learned.
Okay, then I could just charge you with a felony.
Please don't charge me with a felony.
Have a seat.
I've learned that you
No,
guys.
you're done. Have a seat. I'll give you a reason. Dude,
it was a joke. I was just kidding.
I was going to give you 2 misdemeanors, kick you out the
I
door.
was just kidding.
Now you can just go to jail.
It was a joke. I thought you would laugh.
We'll give her a little bit more to think about. And the thing is, now your sister gets charged with a felony.
What is she getting charged with a felony
For
for?
complicity to you smacking me in the face.
I didn't smack you in.
Okay, I've been cut, I've been hit. Let's
I didn't
talk.
cut you.
That didn't look like that 5 minutes before I talked to you. So let's just think about things, okay?
I want to be a lawyer.
Grades. The lieutenant receives a C-. Tactical restraint during the physical arrest is credited. Legal imprecision in charging and the booking phase statements are not. Newly receives a C+ for a defensible initial position undermined by refusal to disengage. Nikia receives a C for reactive intervention balanced by the clearest statement of mental state on record. Key lessons. First, verbal argument without fighting words or threats sits close to the constitutional line. Second, resisting arrest cannot survive an unlawful predicate arrest. Third, obstruction and resisting are separate statutes with separate elements. Fourth, statements at booking are recorded and reviewed. Language expressing personal power over a defendant undermines the objective analysis every court must conduct. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.